Good day, everyone. I am Noelito S. Mantilla Jr., 18 years old from the College of Mathematics and Natural Sciences, a first-year BS Physics student at Caraga State University. So in this video, I'll be sharing one of the specific challenge that I experienced as a first-year student at Caraga State University. As a freshman student at Caraga State University, one of the specific challenges that I've been facing is the lack of time management. This challenge is really hard for me because as a freshman student, I need to adapt in the current environment. Managing my time as a college student is very hard, and it's very different in my high school life. Also, this challenge make my academic performance decrease, and sometimes I miss to pass my activities on time. I found myself stressed and overwhelmed because of my performance in school is very low. There's no CSC1 rules that are affected, but in responsibility is my self-discipline. I need to discipline myself to achieve and overcome the challenge that affect me most. So the skill that I will use is scheduling and calendar management to balance my academic and my other activities by managing my time for studying, assignments, and my other activities. I also strive to enhance efficiency and reducing any pressure that will affect me. This doing of mine will enable me to perform well in both academic and my other activities. So once I manage the challenge that I am facing at CSU, I can easily manage my time properly without having problem on my academics and getting stressed or overwhelmed for being bad or low in my performances. So again, I am Noelito S. Mantilla Jr., a first-year BS Physics student. This challenge will help me grow, and I am excited for my own journey at CSU. Thank you.